Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create the different AI hair salon look on TikTok. So if you want to show yourself in different looks or you want to test what hair suits you, then let me show you how to do this on TikTok. So for this, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store. So go ahead and download it. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you want to go ahead and search for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit the profile page for that account. Now stay tuned to the end of this video as the template will appear right here called AI Hair Salon. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the video which you're looking for. Just above the username, go ahead and tap on Capcut AI Template, AI Hair Salon. This will show you the template which you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. Then tap on Use Template. Now you want to go ahead and take a photo of yourself. Then tap on Next. And now let Capcut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it some time. Now once that's done, go ahead and export the video. Save and share to TikTok. And now your video has been exported to TikTok. Go ahead and add your effects, any text, and then tap on Next. Go ahead and add your captions, any covers, and then post this video. Now for those of you who are trying to find this Capcut template, go ahead and visit the profile page, Test the Simple Dad, and you'll see that AI Hair Salon template. Go ahead and tap on it, and then go ahead and tap on Capcut AI Template, AI Hair Salon. So there you go guys, that is how to create the different AI hair salon look on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.